morning isn't under your control, trust me, your entire life isn't under your control either. Check out this stat. 95% of highly successful people, CEOs, elite athletes, top performing students, they all have one thing in common. Their mornings are fixed, disciplined, no exceptions. Today I'm giving you 6 morning habits that aren't just motivation talk. They're backed by science and real-world results. If you watch this video all the way through, your mornings, and honestly your entire life, are about to change. Let's get into it. Most people wake up, grab their phone, and start scrolling. And without even realizing it, they've already drained their brain in the first 30 minutes of the day. This isn't some small habit. It's a pattern that slowly chips away at your focus, your confidence, and your discipline. But here's the good news. This pattern can be broken, and you don't need to overhaul your entire life to do it. You just need to change the first hour of your morning. Habit number 1, fixed wake-up time. Habit number 1, wake up at the exact same time every single day, weekday or weekend. No exceptions. Science backs this up. Your body runs on something called a circadian rhythm, basically your internal clock. When you wake up at random times every day, that clock gets thrown off. And that's exactly why you feel groggy and sluggish in the morning, even after a full night's sleep. Practical tip. Pick a fixed wake-up time today, say 6 a.m., and commit to it for the next 21 days. No exceptions. Why 21 days? Because that's roughly how long it takes for a habit to shift into autopilot mode in your brain. Habit number 2, no phone for the first 60 minutes. Habit number 2, and probably the toughest one, don't touch your phone for the first hour after you wake up. The second you check your phone first thing, your brain immediately flips into reactive mode. Instead of taking control of your day, you're reacting to notifications, messages, and everyone else's life instead of your own. This one small habit actually sets the tone, your mood and focus level for your entire day. Pattern interrupt. Here's a question for you. Have you ever noticed that after spending 20 minutes on your phone in the morning, you still feel like you've accomplished absolutely nothing? That's the leak. That's where your energy is draining out every single day. Habit number 3, and it's one most people completely overlook. Drink a full glass of water the moment you wake up and get 5 minutes of light movement in. Stretching, a short walk, whatever works. Your body goes 7 to 8 hours without water while you sleep. That mild dehydration is exactly why most people wake up feeling groggy and foggy-headed. And a little movement, even just a 5-minute walk, gets your blood flowing and sends a clear signal to your brain that it's time to wake up. Habit number 4, the high performer secret, the deep work hour. Habit number 4, tackle your hardest, most important task in the first 2 hours of your day. That's when your willpower and focus are at their absolute peak because you haven't been worn down yet by the day's decisions and distractions. That's exactly why most high performers knock out their toughest task, whether it's a workout, studying, or a major project, first thing in the morning. By the evening, that willpower is already gone. Habit number 5 is the rule of 3. Every morning, write down just 3 things you absolutely need to get done that day. Not 10, not 20, 3. When your to-do list is too long, your brain gets overwhelmed and nothing actually gets finished. But when you're laser focused on 3 priorities, your brain gets clear direction. And by the end of the day, you feel real, genuine satisfaction. Habit number 6, cold exposure or deep breathing. And now, the habit most videos never mention, but it might be the most powerful one for your health. Splash cold water on your face in the morning, or do 2 minutes of deep breathing. Cold water immediately kicks your nervous system into alert mode. It's called the cold shock response. And if you're short on time, even just 2 minutes of deep breathing can lower cortisol, your stress hormone, and get you mentally locked in for the day. Picture 2 people for a second. One wakes up late every single day, burns an hour on their phone, and starts the day with 0 plan. The other wakes up at a fixed time, spends that first hour investing in themselves, and walks out the door with 3 crystal clear goals. 1 year later, these 2 people are living completely different lives. And the difference isn't some big miracle. It's just 1 hour every morning. Life doesn't change in a day. It changes a little bit every single morning. If this video helped you, pick just one habit right now and start it tomorrow morning. Drop your choice in the comments. And if you want more powerful, science-backed videos on discipline and health, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.